warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group RAS 1134CM4D. Want to present our group assignment, Polymer Product Application and Sustainability, Polyethylene, and the product is packaging film. Introduction to the chosen polymer product and its significance in the market. Polyethylene is a widely used thermoplastic polymer made from ethylene monomer. It is known by its versatility, durability, and relatively low cost. Polyethylene consists a long chain of hydrocarbon ethylene, C2H4, polymerized through an addition reaction. Type of polyethylene: low density polyethylene, high density polyethylene, linear low density polyethylene, ultra high molecular weight polyethylene. Significant in the market: low density polyethylene widely used in packaging due to its flexibility and transparency. High density polyethylene intensively used in construction packaging and consumer goods. Linear low density polyethylene preferred for flexible packaging and film. Ultra high molecular weight used in specialized industry and medical application. Explanation of the polymer chemical structure and key properties. Polyethylene consists repeating unit of monomers C2H4. The key properties. First, chemical resistant. Polyethylene resistant to acid, base, and solvent. Second, electrical insulator. Polyethylene useful for insulating electrical line and cable because it's a higher electrical insulator. Third, flexibility and toughness. LDPE and LLDPE are strong and flexible. They are suitable for film application such as plastic wrap.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Sakina. I want to share my finding about production processes and consideration of polyethylene. So here we have 8 processes. First is feedstock preparation. Next, polymerization. Ethylene and gas undergoes polymerization where the ethylene molecules are chemically bound together to form long chains of polyethylene molecules. This step can be carried out by 2 methods, which is high pressure polymerization and low pressure polymerization. Third process is catalyst. Fourth process is polymerization reactor. Next, we have polymer processing. Once polymerized, the polyethylene is typically extruded into pellets or granular for ease of handling and transportation. Next process is additive and blending. Basically, it depends on the desired properties, various additives such as antioxidant, stabilizer, and colorant. Next, we have forming, shaping, and lastly, final products like packaging films. For consideration for polyethylene, determine the specific type of polyethylene needed based on application requirement. This included HDPE, LDPE, LLDPE, MDPE, and UHMWPE, each offering different mechanical, thermal, and chemical resistant properties. There is 5 elements need to be considered, which is physical properties, application, chemical resistance, mechanical properties, and cost. For physical properties, this is caused by excellent chemical resistance, toughness, flexibility, and low cost. For application, PET is used extensively in packaging, construction, agriculture, automotive, and healthcare.
So, in my part, I'm going to explain about a showcase of real-world application of the packaging film across different industries. First, we have food and beverage industry, followed by e-commerce industry and manufacturing industry. One of the biggest industry for stretch film packaging is the food industry. Fresh produce, milk, poultry, and dairy goods are all wrapped with it. Packaging film keep food fresher longer and guards against contamination. Additionally, it acts as barrier against oxygen and moisture, which both can lead into a spoiling. As for beverage, we also use it to wrap the bottle, cans, or another container to prevent degradation of the quality and the taste of the product. Next, we have e-commerce industry. The e-commerce industry is one of most quickly growing uses of packaging film for packaging. It is used to package things sold online and deliver it to clients. Packaging film protect product from damage during shipping and provide a professional appearance of the package. Lastly, packaging film is used in industrial industry to package both complete product and raw material. Packaging film protect the product from harm during the shipping and storage, and it is also used for covering machinery and equipment. Besides, it also acts as moisture and dust barrier, which can have an impact on the product quality. It companies also offer a variety of stretch film created exclusively for the manufacturing.
Hi, my name is Janat Fitra and I will talk about environmental impact. Polyethylene is a single-use item which contributes to waste. It also doesn't break down easily and can last for 400 years in nature. It is a recycled item, but when it's not, it will end up in the ocean causing water pollution and harm the wildlife. The small bits of plastic can also get into our food. As for the sustainability aspect, first we have environmental. It is not environmental friendly, it relies on fossil fuels and it can cause pollution. Second, we have recyclable. Polyethylene is 100% recyclable and it can be reused. How? It will be sorted, shredded, cleaned, melted and compressed. Lastly, we have economical. It is low cost, easy to process, lightweight, durable and flexible. Lastly, we have polyethylene challenges. First, if the ratio of polyethylene compared to other materials in the product is incorrect, the problem can occur. For example, analysis was done to discover the problem when the plastic is break over time. The examination of the expanded hydrocarbon stretching region of the field and control parts showed that the ratio of the polyethylene to polypropylene in the field part was significantly higher than in the control part. Next, separating different recycled plastic from each other, and if it doesn't do correctly, it will cause an environmental issues. Not only that, it can also cause major equipment damage. The various plastic grades have different melting temperature. Feeding the wrong plastic grade into the extrusion furnace can result in furnace damage, production shutdown, and operational losses in the millions of dollars.
The conclusion of polyethylene application frequently focused around its broad use due to its diverse features, such as durability, flexibility, and chemical resistance. However, its sustainability remains a major concern due to its persistence in the environment and recycling challenge. In another hand, polyethylene has many uses and it is useful, but it cannot be sustained without appropriate use, recycling, infrastructure, and continued technological breakthroughs in the treatment of plastic waste.